This is an important day in the life of the university, a day to celebrate the success of our graduates. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this ceremony and to formally declare this congregation of the university open. Please be seated.
Pro-Vice-Chancellor, distinguished guests, ladies, gentlemen, and graduates. Good afternoon. My name is Jamal Eid Boudaoud. I'm the Executive Dean of the Faculty of Technology. Each year, we begin these events by saying what a privilege it is to welcome you to the university and our great city. Let me be open with you. Never before have these words been infused with as much emotion as they are today. And never before have I thought to say how wonderful it is to welcome you all in person. It feels good to say it, and even better to see you all here. You don't need me to tell you what a difficult time it has been since March 2020. We have all lived it. And for some of us, it has been more difficult than for others. Today, though, is a well-earned celebration, but particularly for our graduates. Today, you leave us having achieved what you set out to achieve when you arrived in Portsmouth 3 years, and in some cases, more years ago. Because of the social distancing restrictions that remain in place, we cannot offer the full celebration as we normally would. I'm sure that it is a massive disappointment that the post-ceremony drinks reception cannot run this year. However, we have added a bottle of something sparkling to all graduates' gift bags, something to take away and drink at your leisure. We hope that this token will be at least some compensation for not having the opportunity to celebrate with your family, your friends, and staff of the university, and be congratulated by the Vice-Chancellor. Despite all of these challenges, but possibly also because of them, it really is an immense pleasure to be able to personally and on behalf of staff at the university congratulate you, our graduates, on your well-earned achievement. I am immensely proud of your commitment to your studies during such disrupted times and your broader development as worthy citizens. In normal years, we talk about the amount of volunteering our students do to illustrate their credentials as great citizens. Of course, things have been different this year, although a considerable amount of vital activity has continued. Many of you will not know, for instance, that staff and students volunteered during the pandemic to help their communities, and members of staff play their part helping with COVID vaccination. However, this year, there is no need for me to find specific examples of your character and worth as student of the university. How you have coped with day-to-day life for more than a year is enough. For most of us, we have not been through a war, so we must keep our perspective. But in peacetime, no other generation of young people have had their freedoms curtailed in the way you have. There has been the occasional incidents of poor behavior, which some of the media have latched on in order to tar all students' reputations, but the overwhelming majority of our students have behaved impeccably. You have done everything that has been required of you, and I am very proud of you. You might say, well, they should, and you would be right. But we should remember that in nearly all cases, young people have made sacrifices only to help others. I think it is worth marking the extent and scale of young people's selfless behavior throughout the pandemic. This marks them as worthy of particular respect. It is also easy to think, well, we would do the same, and I hope we would. But those who say this are nearly always older, have more life experience, and see greater self-interest in staying at home and following the rules. I am amazed and proud at how you have coped as your academic achievements show flourished. We are lucky to have you as our students and now our graduates. Of course, you, our students, are also lucky. You have coped brilliantly, but not alone. You have had your support networks, your parents, partners, children, wider family, and friends all have helped by providing support, a shoulder to cry on, a listening ear. I suspect that in many cases, you have seen far more of each other than you expected and sometimes desired. But your supporters have kept faith in you and willed you to succeed. And now you have fulfilled your ambition. I think it is appropriate that you, our graduates, should stand up and with a round of applause join me in thanking your family and friends who are here today. So can I ask all the graduates please to stand up? So I've been running a competition now with all the graduates. Let's see how well you will do. So I'm expecting a loud cheer on the count of 3. And since this is a Faculty of Technology, I'll be using technology to measure how loud you are. So on a count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you've managed 85 dBs. So you must have had a big lunch. So let's see how loud you can be for a second time on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, please. Much better, thank you. That's over 90. Well done. Please be seated. If there was one word to describe the world in the last few years, it would be uncertainty. The lives of most of today's graduates have been shaped by the financial crisis, political austerity, global environmental challenges, all the uncertainty and division around Brexit, and now the pandemic. It can be easy to be pessimistic, but I'm not. And I want to tell you, our graduate, that you should not be either. When I look at you, I see passionate, highly skilled and educated people, full of ideas, ready and prepared to reshape our world. Seeing you all today is a tremendous feeling and a welcome reminder that whatever our current difficulties, our future is in good hands. You should also feel confident that you are graduating from a university that is recognized as part of the modern global elite of universities tackling the real challenges of the 21st century. We have the best rating, TEF Gold, for our teaching. We are involved in cutting-edge research, for example, around plastics and cosmology. We are taking a lead in addressing the problems of climate change. But we plan more, much more. The university has a vision that by 2030, we will be the top modern university in the UK and one of the top 100 young universities globally. We plan to become carbon positive by 2030, to be one of the leading civic universities in the country, to open the opportunities we offer to more of the young people who we know can benefit from them. And we plan to translate more of our academic expertise into practical results. We hope that as we realize our vision, we can make you all prouder of your association with the university. So today, we hope is just a change in the lifelong relationship we want with you. Please make use of our excellent alumni association and keep in touch as you continue your journey through life. As you will be the future leaders, thinkers, creators, and innovators, we want to know what happens to you and keep in touch with you on your journey. The world desperately needs your talents, your creative minds, and your commitment to shape the world for a better future. And when you are successful, please come back to visit us and be part of our elite team supporting the future generation of Portsmouth students. Please also remember that in graduating today, you are part of a privileged minority that has had the advantages of a university education. With that privilege comes responsibility. Reflect on your obligation as graduates. You are trustees of the knowledge and skills that you have gained. Use your talents to make a difference for the benefit of others and set an example for others in your conduct, behavior, and achievement that others will seek to emulate. Finally, I urge you to live by the values of your university in all that you do. Be responsible, be open, be ambitious, and never settle for second best. I congratulate you on your awards and wish you every success for your future. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the formal part of the ceremony where the Pro-Vice-Chancellor and the Academic Registrar will make the formal declaration after which the students will process. This is the formal part of this event where you will be transformed from being students into graduates. So it's an important part. Before that, though, and while we're getting the students ready for their procession, we have prepared a short film of congratulations from colleagues across the university.
I want to say a huge well done and congratulations to you on completing your degree.
Congratulations, you are graduates of the University of Portsmouth. What an amazing achievement.
We are certainly very proud of you and your hard work and dedication, which has culminated in this moment.
Please take time today to give yourself a pat on the back, because I know it has been incredibly difficult. I really genuinely do.
You should be rightfully proud of your achievements and the person that you have become.
We are there to cheerlead you all the way to whatever you decide to do next.
We also love to hear your stories, and maybe one day you will come back to the university and support future generations of University of Portsmouth students.
You're amazing, you're brilliant, you've achieved, you are part of our university family, which extends globally.
Be ambitious and bold and use your talents for the betterment of society and for the good of others. Thank you very much for entrusting those precious years of your life.
Pro-Vice-Chancellor, as Academic Registrar, I confirm that those presented at this ceremony have successfully completed their studies and have satisfied all conditions and requirements of the university.
By the authority of the university, I confirm that all those who are duly qualified are hereby admitted to the awards for which they are presented.
Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from Learning at Work. For the award of Bachelor of Arts in Business and Computer Studies, Bob Yaxley. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Engineering Project Management, Paul Gregory. Tom Painter. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Engineering Studies with First Class Honours, Liam Alexander. With First Class Honours, Darren Ebelthite. Frederick Thomas. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Engineering and Management Studies, Carlton Barbreach. Ryan Hughes. With first class honours, Fraser Leach. Hilary Nwankwo. Amanda Rees. Aaron Ring. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Maritime Studies, Simon Wilde. And for the award of Master of Science in Occupational Health, Safety and Environmental Management, David Howarth. Pro-Vice-Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from Learning at Work.
Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the School of Mathematics and Physics. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Physics, Elliot Green. Benjamin Hart. With first class honours, Matthew Lyons. Tony Russo. With first class honours, Stephen Scott. With first class honours, Jack Sonnux. Chris Warden. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Physics, Astrophysics and Cosmology, Oliver Barney. Ella Boxall. With first class honours, Sydney Crocker. With first class honours, Morgan Deegan. Niall Gorton. Prakash Gurung. Phoebe Guthrie. Darcy James. With first class honours, Ben Knight. Adam Lake. Zaymon Mizera. With first class honours, Sean Robinson. Santiago Termizi Acuna. Krisanti Kotula. Megan Wood. For the award of Masters of Physics in Physics, with first-class honors, Matt Aquilina. Uger Arslan. With first-class honors, Matthew Jones. Louis Oldfield. With first-class honors, Oliver Wenman. For the award of Master of Physics in Physics, Astrophysics, and Cosmology, Ryan Alexander. With first-class honors, Molly Berkmore. With first-class honors, Alexia Calafato. With first-class honors, Rebecca Caves. Brandon Clark. With first-class honors, Katie Davidson. With first-class honors, Jay Dawson. With first-class honors, Abigail Elms. With first-class honors, Charlotte Griffiths. With first-class honors, Reese Jones. With first-class honors, Anjali Abirami Kugaraj. Edward Rulimer. With first-class honors, Marcel Pavelchik. With first-class honors, Joshua Pooley. With first-class honors, Manish Prahalatan. Gemma Russell. Oliver Sleet. Louise Smith. With first-class honors, Charles Stammer. With first-class honors, Alex Westcott. Provost Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Mathematics and Physics.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to you the following successful candidates from the School of Mechanical and Design Engineering. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Innovation Engineering, Ismail Bidung Pat. Pustam Gali. Fifi Job. Sheila Jonko. With first class honors, Ken Long. And Sophie Len Kwok. With first class honors, Adam Newton. With first class honors, Oliver Scott. With first class honors, Greg Wallace. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, John Abellanosa. Khaled Ibrahim Abouita. With first class honors, Shafiq Wong, Akid Wong. Sultan Al-Albani. Faisal Almari. Hashil Ahmed Hashil Al-Maskari. Layal Al-Ablani. Abdullah Al-Ajmi. Nasser Al-Dusari. Adam Sani Ali. Bader Nasser Al-Mutayiri. With first class honors, Michael Atefipur. With first class honors, Oliver Atteval. Harish Babu. With first class honors, Nicholas Baker. Mike Baloro. Nana Boateng. Hamza Boumanza. Joseph Brady. With first class honors, Morgan Carroll. James Clark. With first class honors, Thomas Cloak. With first class honors, Duncan Codd. With first class honors, Nicholas Coles. With first class honors, Samuel Poor. With first class honors, Aaron Davis. Jack Davis. Ezequiel de los Reyes. Mohammad Diko. With first class honors, Ross Evans. With first class honors, Adil Firdousi. Tobias Derek Foster. Oliver Francis. With first class honors, Joe Grimm. With first class honors, Prince Gurung. Edmund Gyasi. With first class honors, Christopher Hartney. Callum Illing. Irish Iqbal. Marvin Jackson. Jonathan Kia. Yahya Khatib. With first class honors, William King. With first class honors, Tom Neal. With first class honors, Jack Knowles. Dmitris Korolovs. With first class honors, Owen Lee. With first class honors, Michael Macmillan. Raid Marie. With first class honors, Matthew David Mills. Kavi Mistry. Yusuf Muhammad Khan. Omar Musalam. With first class honors, Khaled Nasir. Nasor Majidi Nasora Mohammed. Joel Okine. With first class honors, Kirby Pasha. With first class honors, Joseph Palmer. With first class honors, Jamie Parr. Eric Patajuk. With first class honors, Jay Patel. With first class honors, Miral Patel. Stephen Pease. Urvi Rabadia. Will Ralphs. With first class honors, Sanjay Ravindran. With first class honors, Louis Richards. Jack Richardson. Jack Salmon. Torrance Scott. With first class honors, Theo Seekings. Loshant Silvanayagam. With first class honors, Seifal Shrestha. Joshua Shum. Keegan Simmons. With first class honors, Harrison Simpson. With first class honors, Thomas Slater. With first class honors, Luke Small. With first class honors, Harry Snellgrove. With first class honors, Nicholas Swinard. Ronald Joshua Tayo. With first class honors, Divesh Dhanaraja. Vicky Tao. With first class honors, Tobias Sumuna. With first class honors, Haviniz Vityakaran. Mark Walsh. Tom Warburton. Jamie Wilson. With first class honors, Max Vodke. For the award of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering, with first class honors, Alexander Ataman. James Burr. With first class honors, Timothy Bridger. With first class honors, Vincent Patrick Crump. With first class honors, George Curtis. Benny Debra. With first class honors, Kieron Dilly. George Edwards. Andrew Gravestock. With first class honors, Brian Hargrave. Tom Harrison. With first class honors, Max Hood. With first class honors, Emmanuel Olatunde Irantiola. Christopher James O'Callaghan. With first class honors, Simon Payne. With first class honors, Emily Penton. With first class honors, Harry Sargent. Adam Shatila. Fraser Simmons. With first class honors, Tom Streeter. Harry Tansey. With first class honors, Matthew Turner. Liam Williams. With first class honors, Mitchell Young. Hattie Karadag. For the award of Bachelor of Science, Industrial Design, Stephen Cable. Nicholas Cade. Adam Coventry. Eddie Howe. Maxwell Jens. With first class honors, James David Pritchard. With first class honors, J. Christopher Tudbury. For the award of Bachelor of Science in Product Design and Innovation, Maria Akintunde. With first class honors, Maria Ameinoji. With first class honors, Madhura Dixit. With first class honors, Alex Eagle. Brian Freebray. Joel Holland. George Hopkins. With first class honors, Joshua Lane. Salim Lewis. With first class honors, Stanley McQueen. Sonny Parrish. James Sanmogan. With first class honors, Simon Scully. Sam Smith. With first class honors, Eloise Spruce. With first class honors, Haley Walker. With first class honors, Arthur White. For the award of Master of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, with distinction, Robert Eckhurst. With distinction, Adam Booker. With distinction, Harry Charles Boyle. With distinction, Tom Buckley. With distinction, Thomas Crossley. Jack Delahunty Light. Martin Douglas. With distinction, William Duggan. With distinction, Holly Essen. With distinction, Samuel Hazel. With distinction, Daniel Hooper. Charles Frank Hyatt. With distinction, Luke James. With distinction, David Johnson. With distinction, Lucy Jones. Jack Laddell. Owen Lee. With distinction, Scott Limbrick. With distinction, James Lovell. With distinction, Harkaran Mataru Randava. Harry Messenger. Sean O'Flynn. With distinction, Hussein Shakhrayar. With distinction, Tony Sheck. Victoria Sparks. Nicola Stagg. With distinction, Krasimira Stoyanova. With distinction, Barney White. With distinction, Jacob Wright. With distinction, Josh Wright. Pro-Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of students from the School of Mechanical and Design Engineering and for today's ceremony.
I present to you Holly Essen to respond to the university on behalf of the graduates.
Pro-Vice-Chancellor, honoured guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all. Theodor von Karman, the Hungarian-American aerospace engineer, once said, "The way to succeed is to double your failure rates." Well, with the past year in mind, it is important not to be deterred when things don't go as planned. But today is our day of celebration, a culmination of all the hard work that has been put in by graduates, teaching and support staff alike. Without them, we would not be standing here today. COVID has thrown us a huge curveball. However, the lecturers made it known that it was not the end of the hard work, and through their dedication and efforts, they've continued to push us all in our last year of our university career. So on behalf of my peers and myself, to all teaching and support staff alike, not only within the school, but across the varying student support departments who have worked tirelessly during our academic careers, but especially during our pandemic academic careers. Thank you all very, very much. To my peers, we should focus on what is being achieved in such demanding times. Engineering isn't for the faint-hearted, but requires resilience, durability, adaptability, and an acceptance of failure. All qualities which will stand us in good stead for our imminent future. So yes, I'm almost done. I really wanted to leave you with a quote from Fabiola Gianotti, a Higgs boson physicist, who said, "Science can amuse and fascinate us all, but it's engineering that changes the world." But in reality, it's a musician from an Irish rock band called U2 that actually has the best words of advice. I'm paraphrasing Mr. Bono, but he said, "This is a time for bold measures. This is the country, and you are the generation. That degree of yours is a blunt instrument. Go forth and build something with it." Graduates of 2021, well done.
Holly, take a bow. Thank you, Holly. It is at this point in the ceremony that we would normally hear from our Chancellor, Karen Blackett, who is unfortunately unable to be with us today. She never likes to miss a graduation ceremony, so here is a specially recorded message from Karen.
Congratulations to all of you. This is an immensely proud day for you, your friends, and your family. You should be incredibly proud, as I am proud of sharing this day with you as Chancellor of the University of Portsmouth. Now, I have been where you were 29 years ago, and although that was a long time ago, I still remember how emotional the day is. I remember the immense sense of pride and joy on my mother and my late father's faces as my name was announced and I was called up. You should feel incredibly proud. Now, myself and my sister were the first generation in my family to go to university, and this may be true for some of you today. You are pioneers. Your time at the university will go on to become a big part of who you are and what you go on to achieve. You will leave this ceremony today at least a foot taller than when you first arrived at the university. I hope your time at the university has helped you to unlock your true potential and also, and really importantly, unlock your self-belief as it did for me. I really want you to try and remember the friends that you're sitting next to and who are around you that you have made at the university, as these are your cheerleaders. Please also remember the lessons that you have been taught and that you have learnt during your time at the university. These will act as your compass. Now, you leave the university today under very different circumstances to what all of us have expected, into a world that seems increasingly uncertain. A world of work that has changed forever. I really don't want you to worry. What you have to do is trust your head, your hearts, and then trust your gut. You will need to be strong and resilient. You are equipped to deal with this uncertainty and any future change. You've got this. Most importantly, I want you to find your purpose and I want you to find your happiness. Now, this may not seem immediate right now because of the euphoria of graduating today during the ceremony, but you will need to find it. And when you do, grab hold of it with both hands, as it will guide you through life. You have the potential to make the world a much, much happier place. I wish you Godspeed and I wish you good luck. I wish you all the luck in the world in fulfilling a really joyful and happy life. Now, go out, change the world, and congratulations on being a graduate of the University of Portsmouth.
I want to add my congratulations to all of you who have graduated today, and also to all those who have supported the graduates while they studied at the university. I now declare this congregation closed. Please be upstanding for the academic procession.